Hello guys, welcome back to another educational video, and in this one I'm going to explain how I took this trade on BTC starting from the buyers to my entry. I shared this buyers here live on TikTok when I was live on Monday. I shared these buyers that I'm waiting for. Let me just explain how I took the trade. I shared this one, sorry, my network. Yeah, so the first thing I'm going to do is to know my direction, which is my buyers. To do this, I'm a day trader. I'm not a swing trader, so I use lower time frame for my buyers. In this case, I use 4 hour. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to 4 hour time frame. I go to 4 hour time frame to know my buyers. Yeah, when I go to, sorry, let this thing open first. Sorry, the first thing I go to do is what? Go to 4 hour. In 4 hour, let me clean this, guys. Let me clean this. So the first thing I'm going to do is know my structure in the 4 hour time frame. What are my structures? I want to see a break of structure to the upside. Remove. Let me just use my laptop, guys. Sorry, this one is giving me headache, so let me use this laptop. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to higher time frame to know my bias. You see, I have a break of structure to the upside, right? Then I have a liquidity, which is my inducement liquidity right here. I have this inducement liquidity, and the next thing is my point of interest, which is this order block. This is the zone I explained that I was waiting for BTC. I'm going to force the picture right here. Yeah, this one. So the next thing is I know my bias is completed, so my target is this draw liquidity, which is these highs. These are my targets. So the next thing I did is to go to lower time frame to look for my entries. There are 2 types of confirmation entries I explained here on TikTok. You can check my recent video. I explained 2 types of confirmation entry. The one is market structure shift, and this other one is sweep of liquidity. So I go to lower time frame 15 minutes to look forward those 2 types of confirmation entry. Anyone I get, I'm going to use it at that same zone. So you see, when market tapped into that zone, it did not give me a clear market structure shift, because I have the market structure. I do not have any liquidity to protect this order block. So because I do not have liquidity to protect this order block, I know that this one is automatically becoming market will going to most likely going to sweep it, because I don't consider this as a market structure shift. I want to see market take out this high first, but market take out this one. It did not give me a clear inducement, so I know market is going to come and sweep this low. It's going to come and take out this low.